text pre-processing and using Keras. So
Correct.
it will be a wonderful session. It's a wonderful session. Nice, sir. Nice
Thank you so
office.
much.
Thank you so
Thank
much.
you. Thank you. Thank you, ma'am. Thank you so much.
Dr. Sunil Soumya, good afternoon. This is Ajay Sharma from Amritsar College of Engineering and Technology, Amritsar.
Thank you,
I'm
sir.
an associate professor in computer science department, and I would like to congratulate you for some excellent sessions on machine learning, whether it was classification or regression analysis. And your sessions were superb, sir. Thank you very much for your patience, for your, the practical approach while you were delivering your lectures. And Dr. Jyoti Prakash Singh ji also was excellent. In fact, all the speakers were good. The content was very good, and all the videos and all the content was provided to us in time, which was of great help to us. And looking forward to such FDPs from IIIT Dharwad in future also. Thank you very much, sir.
Thank you, sir. Thank you so much for your great words. Now, before we'll go to the next participant, now here we have with us our registrar, sir, Dr. Chanappa B. Epki. So we will like to hear him first, then I'll go to the next participant. So we welcome you to the FDP's last session, the lecture session. We need really some enthusiastic words from your side.
Yeah.
Sir, we are not able to hear you.
Hello. Am I
Sure, sir.
audible, Sunil?
Yes, sir. Now you're audible. Yes. Yes.
Okay. Okay. Good afternoon, everyone. I heard there are about 100 plus participants from about 20 plus states across India. It's nice to have this kind of faculty development program. It is not only a listening session, it's also for we can know each other, and we can know the teaching styles also. Technically, we can improve ourselves. But ultimate success of this kind of FDPs would be when it reaches our last mill, that is our students. So learning never ends. We should keep learning always. So during this kind of training programs, if we learn something, if we acquire some knowledge, share it with your own students so that there will be a ripple effect and our efforts would succeed, and we feel happy that through someone else we could reach somebody's students and knowledge can be shared to a greater area, greater volume. That's the main purpose of this kind of faculty development programs. I do hope that we take from this convey. We shall definitely be happy to take those weaker areas to improve on this. Next, I don't think anything to say because everyone is faculty and everybody knows about the teaching fraternity. We shall be in touch. Hope, Dr. Sunil,
Yes, sir.
you yeah,
Sir, we didn't hear you. What you said. Your voice is break.
and yes, please, Sunil.
Sir, it's
You want to say Sunil?
your voice is breaking, sir. I think I'm not able to hear you properly.
Did it here? From floor. 1 minute.
Like your voice
How
is
is this
breaking.
now? Am I audible?
Yeah, now it's audible, sir. Yes, now it's audible. Yes, sir. Yes, sir. It's audible. Hello, sir. Can you hear me?
Can you hear me?
Yeah, I can hear you,
Sunil?
sir. Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
This spot is better. Okay, that's what we shall be in touch for any interaction further. If you need any help, all the participants, you are most welcome to be in touch with us. Please also, and anyway, Sunil's email ID is with you all. Through him, you can contact us. Okay? We shall be in touch. Good luck.
Thank
Happy
you, sir.
teaching in future. Happy learning also.
Yes, sir. Thank you. And one thing what you said was really effective. Learn and forward. That is the most important thing what I felt. Thank you so much.
Yes.
That is very important.
Yes.
Yes. Sir.
Thank you.
Thank you so much, sir, for joining us. Thank you.
Can I log out now?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Thank you.
Okay.
Oh, okay. So now we shall move to the next participant. I guess Jayant Tripathi, sir, you were saying something. Or Lalit Sarogi, ma'am, or so. Yes, sir. Please.
आवाज नहीं आ रही. Hello.
Yes, sir. Can you hear me, sir?
Am I audible?
Yes, sir. You are audible. You are audible.
Myself, Jayant Tripathi from University of Allahabad.
Yes, sir.
Okay. I would like to congratulate you for a very good and wonderful faculty development program. The hands-on training was very good, and your faculty members were expert in their domain of knowledge.
Yes, sir.
That was everything was very good, but for persons like us who are not from computer background or computer engineering background, it was a bit difficult to go through that. But since we are doing coding and all these things, and we have some knowledge of different coding languages, so I think I would pick up this one after seeing several times your videos. The recording videos you have said is wonderful, and that will be very much helpful to us. So thank you, Sunil. Thank you very much for you and your team.
Thank you.
And
Thank you, sir.
in Harvard.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you.
Thank you. Any other participant? And in chat box also, Dr. P. Pradeep, Pradeepa IT staff, Anusha, Aparna Gari, Dr. Rajesh K. Shukla sir, Dr. Pawan sir, Dr. Muhammad Ahmad sir, and Srikant Reddy sir. Thank you so much. You have written a lot of things, really. And one more thing I would like to. This was my first FDP which I have organized, and since. So really, this is a really good experience. What I have got, the support what I have got from all of you is really amazing. Really amazing.
Hello, sir.
Yes. Yes,
Hello.
sir. Yes, sir. Please.
Khalid Anwar, Department of Computer Science, University.
Yes, sir. Please.
I would like to congratulate you for conducting full FDP. This was good for very appealing for me, as I am working in data mining. Now I would like to work and my team. I would like to work to my. So this was very and representative were good. So I would like you if you like.
Sir, I guess your voice is a little bit breaking. If I don't know, my network is slow or what.
Audible?
Hello. Yes, Dr. Rajesh K. Shukla sir, just wait for a while. I think Khalid sir is speaking something. We are not able to hear him properly.
Okay. Am I audible, sir?
Yeah, now you are audible.
This is Khalid.
Yes.
Okay. Sir, I am Khalid Anwar from Computer
Murthy. This was wonderful FDP conducted by you. The timing of the session and the knowledge of the presenters and all the spokespersons were very good.
Thank you.
So we are working in and improving recommendation accuracy, the
Okay.
recommenders. So we would like to, our team is would like to extend our work to text mining also in medical disease prediction and recommendation. So we would like to collaborate with you if you like in future.
Yes, yes, sir. Yes, sir. Yes, Khalid, sir. Definitely. You have my email ID. You can reach out to me anytime and we can discuss next.
Okay, okay. Thank you.
Thank you. Thank you, sir. Yes, sir. Dr. Rajesh K. Shukla, sir, please.
Well, sir, congratulate you first of all for
Thank you. Thank you, sir.
on machine, and all the sessions were excellent. I'm working on machine area and working as
Thank you, sir.
Institute of Science.
I guess there is some disturbance again. I'm not able to hear you, sir.
Okay, am I audible?
Yes, sir. Now you're
Yeah, I just want to congratulate you, Sunil sir, for leading from the front in organizing this FDP.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Thank you so much. Thank you so much. Thank you. Again, we lost you, sir. I think again we lost you, sir. Thank you, sir. Thank you, Dr. Rajesh K. Shukla, sir. I think there is some network connectivity. But
Can I
thank you
speak,
so
sir?
much. Srikant Reddy, sir, could you please speak? Mohammed, sir, I will get back to you.
Hello, Sunilji.
Yes, sir.
Are you able to hear me?
Yes, sir. I can.
Sir, very good afternoon to you.
Good
Special
afternoon.
mention to you, sir. As always, you receive us in a proper and cool manner that impressed us very lot, more than FDP. Actually, it is a great thing and great efforts by you for the successful completion of this 5 days FDP. It's
Thank you.
not an easy task for you, as you are telling that it is your first one. Maybe.
Yeah, it is. No, it is my first one. Yes.
Yes, sir. I congratulate you, sir,
Yeah, thank
for
you.
for the success of first year FDP, and also we gain much knowledge, sir, here from day 1 to day 5. And thanks for giving, thanks for sharing our experiences. Thanks for giving opportunity for us, and thank you very much, sir. Hope the things will be continued in the future also.
Yes, sir.
Thank you.
So
Thank
much,
you, sir.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Yes, Muhammad Ahmad, sir. Could you please on
Yes,
the
sir.
mic now? Yes, please.
I am Muhammad Ahmed, a lecturer at Global Universities, Hananpur.
Okay, sir.
And I first of all thanks to you
Thank you, sir.
for your leadership in the FDP, and I am very benefited from the FDP as I teach artificial intelligence in diploma students, final year students, and I hope that my student will also be benefited from me. And the hands-on work and the hands-on you present was very good, and thanks a lot at last.
Thank you so much, sir. Thank you so much. Most of you have commented in the chat box. Thank you, all of you. Thank you so much for such a nice support. What I have received, others have also conducted the session, and what they were telling that it's very difficult to manage and all. But I never felt, right? I don't know. I never felt that I'm getting many or something like other than the subject or something. So it's all your support, I guess. I never felt anything. I mean, extra or overwhelming. And the response is only whatever response you're giving me, that is overwhelming and really appreciated. Yes. Share your email ID. I guess my email ID is with you. I will share right now. Anyone else, if you would like to add anything, then you are most welcome. Be assured that if you have attended the session, definitely you will get the marks and definitely you will get the certificate. The most important thing is you have attended the session, definitely you will get all the things. What is risk behind? Yes. But do not forget to write, fill the feedback form. That is very important. And our WhatsApp group will be activated till all of you will not receive the certificate. And after that, I will, close that group. But till that, once I will see that all the participants have received the certificate, then we'll deactivate that group. Till that, it will be working. You can write there if you are finding an issue. But the feedback link you will get in your Atal portal, and the certificate also you will get in your Atal portal. Wait for a few days, for next 5 days, 6 days, maybe within a week it will come to you, because I have to do some processing in between. Once it will be verified, it will reach to the AICTE, they will immediately release your certificate. So it may take a few days, for a week maybe maximum, and then it will come to you for sure. And if still you will be finding some issue, we will contact to the AICTE. You please reach out to me and I'll contact with the AICTE if there is some problem in between. Hopefully there will not be any problem. They have made a very smooth system this time. Yes, thank you so much, all of you. Anyone else, if you'd like to add something, you are most welcome. We'll wait for another 5 minutes, or I can take another 1 or 2 feedback, then we can close the session. All of you have my mail ID. Please write to me. We will definitely be in touch, and definitely once the situation will be fine, I request all of you to visit the IIIT Dharwad. You all are most welcome. We'll organize one or other event like this, and I request all of you to come and visit. This is a very wonderful place where the institute is situated. Okay, some of you have commented that you are not able to see the feedback form, and I'd like to check it. But after the session, maybe by evening you will receive it. If it's still you are not receiving, please write a mail, or else so that I can contact the AICTE that why you have not received. Okay, I may have to go through some of the details. Then I'll let you know that what is the alternative for that one. Wait, please wait till evening. Maybe you will receive it for sure. Okay, and today's recorded session I will be sharing by night, as I am sharing every day. So I will be sharing in the same YouTube channel. And the channel will be there. I'm not going to delete the channel, so you can watch the videos from there. So it will be there for sure, I guess so. If something not happened very bad, then it will be there for sure. Okay, I guess then we can go for closing, right? Anything else? If you'd like to, anyone, if you'd like to add. Okay, so thank you so much, one and all. Thank you so much, everyone who is present here, who have participated in this 5-day journey of this FDP on machine learning. Thank you, one and all. Thank you, all of you. I really thankful to all of you for supporting me in this way. I will remember this one definitely. This experience, the way what I have gained from this FDP, support what I have got from this FDP, this is really remarkable. I will never forget, because I'm going to, maybe I'll be organizing many FDP, but this is my first one. And I'll definitely remember the support what I have received from you. Thank you so much, all of you. Please be connected, write to me. We can have the collaboration on one or other things. I'll be in IIIT Dharwad. And yes, we can reach out in through any mode, whichever you feel comfortable, right? Okay, then I'm just logging out now. All of you take care, stay healthy.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you, ma'am. Thank you.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you.
Thank you, Sunil ji. Thank you.
Thank you, sir. Thank you.